Good morning, students. I am Gurpreet Singh, and today we are going to learn topic tequila. This topic taken from subject bar operations and management. So here we are going to learn first introduction of tequila. Tequila is a spirit made primarily in the area surrounding Tequila, a town in the western Mexican state of Jalisco. It is made from the blue agave, part of the lily family. Here is a process of tequila making. The process of tequila begins when a blue agave plant is ripe, usually 8 to 12 years after it is planted. Leaves are chopped away from its core after the ripeness is assessed. The pinna will be visible when all the leaves pencas have been cleared. Here is the pictures of mature blue agave plants and harvesting of pinna. Pinnas are hauled to the distillery where they are cut in half or chopped and put to roast. Starch is turned to sugar as the pinnas are roasted in furnaces called hornos. Pinna and splitting of pinna before roasting. Pictures of matured herds of pinna and another picture pinnas being transferred to a roasting chamber. In the next picture traditional brick oven used to cook pinnas, and in the last picture cooked agave heart before it is crushed and pressed. The roasted pinnas are then shredded, their juices pressed out and placed in fermenting tanks or vats. Once the juices are in the vats, yeast is added. During fermenting, the yeast acts upon the sugars of the agave plant, converting them into alcohol. Here is a picture of shredded pinna. The juice is being pressed out by a grinding mill. Juice being pumped into a fermentation tank or vat. Here is a picture. The fermentation process, conversion of sugar into carbon dioxide carbon dioxide and alcohol. Juices ferment for 30 to 48 hours, then they are distilled twice in traditional copper stills or more modern ones made of stainless steel. The first distillation produces a low grade alcohol and the second a fiery, colorless liquid that is later blended before being bottled. The resulting liquid is then aged according to its type. In this picture, this is the distillation process, alcohol extraction from mash resulting in colorless liquid. Some types of tequila are then bottled immediately and some are kept for maturation in oak casks. After maturation, tequila is bottled and then sold. Tequila is served at room temperature, though sometimes people like it chilled. It is normally served with salt and lime herbs. It is traditionally served in a 2-ounce glass called cabrito. Here is the types of tequila: Blanco, white, silver, unaged tequila. Second is Joven or gold, unaged tequila with colorants and flavors like caramel. Third is Reposado, tequila which has been rested for not less than 2 months and not more than 12 months. Anejo, tequila which is aged between 1 to 3 years. American whiskey or cognac barrels are used to age this. Famous tequila brands: Souza, Jos Cuervo, Corallo, and Don Julio.